Yeah, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm at a super cool event. Hadn't been to this event in over a year, but it's already a wild turnout, so stick around for this one. Got some heat here. It's a good R8. This color is insane. Carbon down there, carbon everywhere. My car made it out here, looking snazzy. Yes, sir. Got a cool set of Beamers here. Laguna Seca blue, so good. BBS is on there. Yeah, the camera's not gonna do this one justice, but y'all already know how the Laguna is. Super cool to see these cars. You rarely see these anymore. It's like where it all started. Look at the hips back there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got the blue interior. There's a lot of blue in there. That's sweet. Got the sand colored M4. Looks like it's got carbon everywhere. Gen 1 Viper, I think. It's got the Apex wheels on there. Zoom in for you. Got the carbon roof. Carbon looks like an Adro wing, I'm not too sure. Gooseneck. IG. Got an insane lineup of Fords up here. Got the GT, the GT350, and the old school down there. Supercharged. I think I've showed you guys this one before.
Big.
Crazy.
And it worked, it was huge.
GT350. Oh, it's a Mach 1. Sheesh. That is a good car right there.
It's not the same one.
I just joined Northern Virginia, Quebec. Yeah, it's a bunch of old guys.
It smells nostalgic in there.
Old gray hair guys. I forgot the join, but I remember
That's
they
cool.
were no hair.
I don't see these too often around here. This thing is gorgeous. Can't go wrong with white. Carbon everywhere, but y'all already knew that. Weissach too. Check the old V-dub truck out. So this looks like a Mach 1. Oh, it says GTI down there. This is new to me. Got the old school Recaros in there. Oh my gosh, it is immaculate in there. Oh, my Shadow, move Shadow. That's really cool to see. It says 1981. RS7 is like the ultimate family car. That blue is incredible. It's almost like a navy pastel. It's Porsche's money. She slammed. The wheels are pretty clean. The prices of Porsches are just getting absolutely insane these days. But good for them. Good investment. Spicy S2K. Got the carbon fenders. believe that's a K-swap in there. I don't know. The welds are clean, pie cuts. McLaren's clean. If I had a S2K, it'd be very similar.
There's just something different about these.
Oh, definitely. And that's why I say it. Like, I don't know, it's just they have always grabbed my attention, no matter where I could be on the wild and I see a hyper, I'm just like
Rowdy.
It's almost like you
Ooh.
Yeah. And I don't know if you cut the full start on the back.
Sheesh. Another good Porsche. On the CCWs too, the classics. I like the touch of red on the interior. Not too much, not too little. Yeah. This is sweet. The black tips on there, black chrome. Clean beetle bug. What are you guys' thoughts on Evos? I keep hearing about how the reliability is, but man, they just look so good, and I know the potential they have. This one's really well done though. Heard him when he came into it, sounded fantastic. Check these wheels out. I'm a huge fan of this color. My boy's got carbon everywhere. Needs a front-facing turbo in there, he'll be set. This M3 is really well done. Sorry the lighting isn't ideal where he parked, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Fitment's on point. And he can drop the tops. Crazy. Green M5 comp. I'm really feeling this color. I think it was a good choice to throw the gold wheels on there. This thing is sweet. The brown interior in there. The carbon roof, of course. That's so sweet. Y'all know I can't pass up a good Supra. This one's actually pretty wild. She slammed. I'd say this is probably static too. Mom paid for it, true. I don't know, it might be bagged. It's crazier on this side. Always love the Versus wing. You got the same fenders. Purple 675 LT with the green brakes.
You look that at the camera.
I think these are actually fairly affordable for what they are now. Carbon everywhere. What do you guys think about the M2? I think I've accepted the front end, but the rear is, I don't know if I can get on board. Actually, an authentic Cobra right here. This thing is super cool, super clean. You could eat off of it. Side pipes. It's actually really spacious in there. I like how the stripes come into the car. That's cool. And I don't know what that is beside it, but that's kind of cool too. See how the whole back of the roof drops off? That's a vibe. This is probably my favorite of the GT3s. Porsche killed it with this one. I don't know, it's just something about that wing. It's like not too much. The one I showed y'all earlier was pretty aggressive, but I love that one. The front end, the wheels, so good. Set front end. ZR1 is insane. Got the carbon roof. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, he almost hit that car. I'm telling y'all, there's almost always something at this event. This has been the most controversial cars and coffee. Oh, he's got the carbon seats in there too. Woo. Love the blue on the M3. That is gorgeous. Looks like he's got the orange interior too. And then the green with the orange. Woo. Thank y'all for watching. I'm looking forward to editing this one. By the way, if anybody wants to like film videos but doesn't feel like editing them, just let me know. Like, I love it. that was weird. But yeah, I enjoy doing that type of stuff. So just hit me up, let me know. IG's below if you want to hit me there or whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Hit that like, hit that sub. Let me know what you liked in this video. Let me know what I can do better. Dang, the cars are still rolling in. But yeah, man, y'all take care.